Here's how to fix high CPU usage in Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right, hover over More Tools, and select Task Manager. Scroll through the list and end tasks showing high CPU usage. Focus especially on anything labeled Subframe or any extensions you do not recognize or use. Select the item and click End Task to close it. Next, go back to the three dots, hover over Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. Scroll through and disable any extensions you do not actively use or anything that looks spammy. Simply toggle the switch off for each one. Remove extensions you no longer need entirely. Finally, click the three dots again, hover over Help, and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates automatically. If one is available, let it download, and then click Relaunch to restart Chrome with the update applied. Keeping Chrome up to date often resolves persistent high CPU issues. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.